Hold on. Turn over. Tell the right whistle. Breathe only. Fall off. Follow coupon. Come in. Call in. Sell it. Take out. Fade away. Sizzle. MA. Take over. Look up. It's open. Make a wish. Kiss Chancellors's. Let's sit now. Call another friend. Jump up and down. Buy a red envelope. I just didn't get the change. Business deal. Credit check. The top file. Sell my new cars. Sit down. Some blame need luck. Check cashing. Let them make conditions. Heather. Both days. Go away. I also need the other one. Go anywhere. So vanished. Through water. You were. He yes. Do why. I asked. To open. Too often. Can't you do it? I let you know. Don't you like it? Haven't you? No, not yet. Did you see it? Could you tell? How you like it? Yes, sure. Bless you. Can you decide yourself? Let him get your car for you. How's your family? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? When's your birthday?